I have to eat fish again. And if the little one at home complains, let's make a flavor change. Make fish Florentine. Take Bhetki fish fillet around 500 grams and cut it in cubes. Don't make the fish pieces too thick because when you will fry them, it will not fry properly. Bhetki is a great source of high quality protein and has minimal bones, so it's very easy for kids to eat. Take a lemon and squeeze the lemon all over the Bhetki fillets. Sprinkle little bit of salt, black pepper powder and some ginger and garlic powder over the fish. Let's make a green paste with some coriander leaves, mint leaves, green chilies and lemon. Coated the fish well with this green paste and left for 10 minutes. Now heat the oil in a frying pan. Fry the fish pieces one by one. It will take 8 to 10 minutes of time. Don't overcook it. Fry them lightly. Now we will prepare the spinach sauce. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a frying pan. Add minced ginger, minced garlic. Fry them lightly and then add the onion. I have already washed and chopped some spinach. Now I will add the spinach in this gravy. Cook the spinach for 2 minutes. Add little bit of salt and little bit of black pepper powder. Soak 8 to 10 cashews and make a paste of it. Add the cashew paste in the spinach gravy and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add hot water and again cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Our spinach gravy is ready. To make the white sauce, take a piece of butter, add it in a frying pan. After that, add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Mix it properly. Add a bowl of milk. The milk should be in room temperature. After adding the milk, stir it constantly. There shouldn't be any lump in it. Now add little bit of salt in it and grate some cheese. I have added the processed cheese here. Mix the cheese properly in the sauce. There shouldn't be any lump in it. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper in it. It will enhance the taste of the white sauce. Now we have spinach gravy, white sauce and fried fish. Let's assemble them. Take a baking dish and brush it with little bit of butter. Then add the spinach gravy in it. After adding the spinach gravy, add some cheese. I have added some processed cheese here. Now I will add the fried fishes over it. We cover the spinach gravy with the fried fishes. Then we'll add the white sauce on it. The rest of the spinach gravy will again pour it over the fishes. After that we'll again add some cheese. Here also the processed cheese. We'll grate some cheese and we'll add it. Now in a preheated oven, we'll bake the dish for 20 minutes. Our fish Florentine is ready to serve. Here we serve the fish Florentine with some baked vegetables and some butter rice.